What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Appreciate Your Projects. Today we are doing an unboxing video. A battery manufacturer from China reached out to me, xing-cell, and I'll put a link. So anyways, they reached out to me a couple months ago and said they've watched my videos and they want me to test their battery, post a video, because they are kind of getting started with lithium iron phosphate and for car battery replacements, and they think they have a better battery and they want me to test it to prove it. So I will be unboxing it today, and then subsequent videos I'm going to be torturing it to see what it will do and if it fails. So it might get dangerous, it might not, we'll see what happens, but I will be testing it and putting it to its limits. So I will post the specs to the battery, the link, all that information I'll post for you guys, so just look down in the comments. Yes, they did send me this for free of charge, but they asked me to torture it, and I will. Here we go. Alright guys, let's move forward with the unboxing. Here's the package that it came in, right here. Came by FedEx. Took it quite a while to get here, but whatever. They sent it to me for free. Can't complain about that. So let's see what they sent me. Alright, so here is the box. Comes in. It says it is a GH7, 12.8 volts, 880 cold cranking amps, which is quite a bit. Lithium, it's a lithium performance battery. It's supposed to be a battery, a lead acid car battery replacement is what it's supposed to be. Alright, let's open box number 2. Let's see if there's a third box in here. Well, look at what I get to look at. Check this out. Now that's pretty cool. Of course, that's plastic. Terminals. Looks like it's got its own voltage right here. I don't know what that does. We'll figure it out. Nothing else in the box. Alright. And here's the battery. This feels like it's aluminum here, cast aluminum, some special stickers, something like a live storm. I don't know what that means. There we go. Nothing on the bottom. Like I said, this is plastic up top. It manufactured in 2021. It didn't say when, but yeah. So brought the old voltmeter with me. Let's see what voltages we have. Well, this poster kind of pretty. Check that out. Look like they're kind of goldish color. This battery's not very heavy. It's about 16 pounds, I believe, is what it is. I think the specs say it's 8.1 kilograms plus or minus half a kilogram, but I think the shipping weight was about 16 or 17 pounds. So let's see what kind of voltage we got here. 13.77. Well, there we go. That's the unboxing. Anyways, we unboxed it and it's right at 13.6, 13.7 volts. Obviously it's been resting because it's been sitting there for a couple of weeks, especially in shipping. So today I want to figure out and make a list of all the things that I want to do to it to torture it. And I want to get your feedback. So I'm going to post this video first. I want to get your feedback in the comments of what you want to see done to this battery. We may tear it apart and see what's on the inside. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to put together a list, take you guys' comments as part of what I'm going to do to it. A couple things I have in mind is I have a battery load tester that does 500 amps. This is rated for 800 amps, but, or at least that's what it's stated. You never know until you test it. But so that's one of the things I want to do is pull 500 from it and see what happens, see what the voltage does, all that good information. I also, one of the issues that these batteries run into is they don't do well with this chemistry. It doesn't do well when it gets under cold temperatures. This battery, and I'll put a link to it, and I'll post a picture of this, the stats of this battery. This battery, they're stating that it does really well in cold conditions. I don't know. It says 800 cold cranking amps. That's a lot, but we'll see. We'll find out what it's actually gonna do. So yeah, we're gonna do a lot of different testings on this battery to see what happens. Like I said, put a comment down below of what you want to see done, and you know what, we'll try it. If I can, if I have the capabilities, we'll try it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like, subscribe so you can watch the rest of what's going to happen, and have a great day.